Installing your Vail baseboard covers is easy and requires no tools. Before you start, make sure your baseboard heater is cool and free of any debris or obstructions. First, you'll need to remove your old cover. Using just your hands, unclip the end caps, front plate, and damper. The back plate, copper pipe, and heating element will remain. Be sure to check the gap between the top of the back plate and the wall. If it has paint or caulking in it, use a utility knife to clear the channel. Next, align your Vail baseboard cover with the baseboard heater. The perforations should face towards the ceiling or the room, depending on the model you choose, but not towards the ground. There won't be any snap or click to listen for, as it's held in place by gravity. Finally, you'll install the end caps. Align the end cap at the bottom of the corner, then tilt it back into place until it is flush with the rest of the cover. The end caps can extend out from the sides by up to 1.5 inches on either end, so be sure to account for that when measuring your baseboard heater. And that's it! Your Vail baseboard cover is now fully installed and ready to go. Head over to our website today to learn more and order your very own Vail baseboard covers.